Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super fragrant and mouth-watering dish, garlic shrimp stir fry. Just look at this, big juicy shrimp coated in garlic. This dish is going to make your whole kitchen smell amazing. First thing, we've got to prep the shrimp. Trim off the little legs and remove the vein from the back. Next, chop up plenty of garlic and a few fresh chilies. How many chilies you use really depends on how much spice you can handle. That's all the ingredients we need, so let's get cooking. Heat some oil in the wok, then add the shrimp. Let them fry gently until they turn pink and start to curl. That's enough. Take them out and set aside. Now heat a bit more oil. Add in half of the garlic over low heat and stir it until it starts turning golden. Then throw in the rest of the garlic along with the chopped chilies. The aroma is going to hit you right away. Time to bring the shrimp back in. Toss them around. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything together. Cover with a lid and let it simmer gently for 30 seconds. Let's take a look. Sprinkle some fresh scallion on top. And we are ready to serve. Look at this plate. So glossy, so inviting. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It's absolutely packed with garlicky aroma. Let me try one. Oh wow, the shrimp are juicy. The garlic is bold and it's just bursting with flavor. And you see how simple it is? Just a few ingredients you can find at any grocery store. So why not try it yourself at home? Thanks for watching. See you next time.